Good morning, students. Today we discuss the remaining question of exercise 7.3, in which question number 11 is I is equals to cos 4 power 4 2x. In this question, first we write cos square 2x whole square. After this, we apply formula cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 whole square. Square of this 2 is 1 by 4 and this is 1 plus cos 4x whole square. So, when we open this identity, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So when we integrate this is 1.4 1 dx 1.4 cos square 4x dx plus 2 by 4 cos 2x dx. So integration of this one is x. Here we use again formula of double angle, which is cos 2x upon 2. So this is 1.2 integration of sine is cos 2x is sine 2x upon 2 plus c. So this is 1 by 4x 1.8 integration of 1 is x. This is sine 8x upon 8 plus 1.4 sin 2x plus c. This is the answer of this question. In question number 12, the statement is I is equal to sin square x upon 1 plus cos x. We write this as 1 means cos square x upon 1 plus cos x. We write this is 1 as 1 square. Use the identity a means b, a plus b divided by 1 plus cos x. These two are cancelled out. So integration of 1 is x and cos is sin x. This is the answer. In question number 13, the statement is I is equal to cos 2x means cos 2 alpha upon cos x means cos alpha. Here we use the formula cos 2x is 2 cos square x means 1 and cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha means 1. Cos x means cos alpha dx. So when we open this bracket, this is minus 1, this is 2 cos square alpha plus 1 upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. This one cancel out. Take 2 common and factorize this. Factorize cos x minus cos alpha into cos x plus cos alpha divided by cos x means cos alpha. So these two are cancelled out. So integration of cos x is sin x, cos alpha is constant, integration of dx is x. This is the answer of this question. In question number 14, the statement is cos x means sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x. In this question, first we put the value of 1. Value of 1 is cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x into cos x dx. So this is cos x means sin x. This is the identity of a plus b whole square. In this question, first we put cos x plus sin x equals to t. So derivative of cos x is man sin x, sin x is cos x, dx is dt. So it's dt upon t square. When we take this in numerator, its integration is t minus 1 upon minus 1. Put the value of t here, you will get the answer. In next question, that's question number 15. The statement is I is equals to tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. Here we write tan cube as tan square 2x into tan 2x into secant 2x. First we convert this tan square x into secant square x minus 1 and write it as secant 2x into tan 2x. Then we put secant 2x equals to t. So its derivative is secant 2x tan 2x, derivative of angle is 2, dx is dt. So value of this is t square, this is minus 1 and value of this is dt upon 2. So 1 upon 2 t cube upon 3 minus t plus c. This is 1 upon 6 secant cube 2x 1 upon 2 secant 2x plus c. This is the answer of this question. In question number 16, the statement is tan power 4x. We write it as tan square x into tan square x dx. Then we convert one of the tan square x is secant square x minus 1 and multiply this by tan square x. So this is secant square x into tan square x dx minus tan square x dx. As we know, derivative of tan is secant square x. So its fx and its derivative. Its integration is tan cube x upon 3. Here we write it as secant square x minus 1. As we know, there is no direct integration of tan square x. So its integration is tan x minus x plus c. This is the answer. In next question, the question number 17, the statement is I is equal to sin cube x plus cos cube x upon sin square x into cos square x. In this, first we separate the terms, that sin cube x upon sin square x into cos square x dx, then cos cube x upon sin square x into cos square x. So in this, one sin square x is cancelled. So it's sin x by cos square x. Here cos square is cancelled. This is cos x upon sin square x. We write this sin over cos is tan and 1 over cos is secant. So this cos over sin is cot, 1 over sin is cosecant. So integration of this is secant x, this is minus cosecant x. So integration of this question is secant x minus cosecant x. This is the answer. In next question, the statement is, in question number 18, the statement is I is equals to cos 2x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. Here first we use formula of this, which is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x. Here this sin square x cancel out. This is 1 by cos is secant square x. Integration of secant square x is tan x. This is the answer. In question number 19, the statement is 1 upon sin x into cos power 4. In this question, first we divide this by cos. So this is here cos cube. So this is cos power 4x. When we take this in numerator, this is secant 4x upon tan x. We write this secant 4 into secant square. So we write this as I is equal to secant square x into secant square x upon tan x, and convert 1 of the secant square x into 1 plus tan square x. So this is secant square x upon tan x. After this, we put tan x equals to t. So derivative of tan is secant square x, dx equals to dt. So its integration is 1 plus t square upon t into dt. When we separate these terms, 1 upon t dt, this is t dt. So its integration is log t, and this integration is t square by 2. Put the value of t, you will get the answer. In question number 20, the statement is I is equal to cos 2x upon cos x plus sin x whole square. In this question, first we write the formula of cos square x, which is cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So in numerator, first we use the identity cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x. In the denominator, there is cos x plus sin x whole square. So 1 cos x plus sin x is cancelled out, and we put cos x plus sin x equals to t. This 1 is cancelled out, so its derivative is min sin plus cos, it's dt upon dx. So this is dt upon t. So integration is log t plus t. Put the value of t here, you will get the answer of this question. Thank you.